Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very special episode. I'm Mr. P.
And I'm Jenny. Today's episode is different and very important.
Yes, today we're talking about a huge problem that many English learners have.
You understand English when you read or listen, but you can't speak.
You know the words, you understand the grammar, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out.
Or maybe the words come out wrong, or you feel too nervous, or you forget everything.
We understand. This is so common. Almost every English learner experiences this.
The good news? We have 8 powerful tips to help you unlock your English voice.
These tips work. We've used them ourselves, and we've seen them help thousands of students.
So if you understand English but struggle to speak, this episode is for you.
Are you ready? Let's unlock your English voice. Tip number 1. Understand why this happens.
Okay, first tip, and this is important. Understand why this happens.
Many people think, I'm bad at English, or I'll never be able to speak, but that's not true.
This problem is completely normal. It happens because listening and speaking use different parts of your brain.
When you listen or read, you're passive. You receive information. Your brain recognizes words.
But when you speak, you're active. You must produce language, form sentences, think of words quickly.
It's like you can recognize your friend's face easily, right? But can you draw your friend's face perfectly?
Ah, that's hard. Recognition is easier than production.
Exactly. Understanding English is like recognizing faces. Speaking English is like drawing faces. It needs practice.
So don't feel bad. Your brain just needs practice with the production part.
This is a skill gap, not a talent gap. You can learn to speak.
Key takeaway? Understanding this removes guilt and shame. It's not your fault. It's just how learning works.
Tip number 2. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself, like alone?
Yes, this is the secret weapon. When you're alone, speak English out loud.
Ah, I do this. It's so helpful. No one can judge you, no pressure, just practice.
Exactly. Narrate your life in English. While you're doing daily activities, describe what you're doing.
For example, okay, I'm making coffee now. I'm pouring water into the cup. The coffee smells good.
I'm walking to the store. The weather is nice today. I need to buy milk and eggs.
This builds the habit of thinking in English, not translating from your language.
Do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. In the shower, while cooking, while walking.
Talk about your feelings, too. I'm tired today. I'm excited about the weekend.
The more you practice alone, the easier it becomes with other people.
And here's a bonus tip. Record yourself on your phone.
Yes, then listen back. You'll hear your progress, and you'll notice what to improve.
Key takeaway? Private practice removes fear. It's like a safe gym for your speaking muscles.
Tip number 3. Stop translating in your head.
Many learners think in their native language first, then translate to English. This is slow and awkward.
For example, a Vietnamese learner thinks, tôi đang đói, then translates to, I am hungry.
This takes too much time. By the time you translate, the conversation already moved forward.
Instead, you need to think directly in English.
But how? How do you stop translating?
Start with simple things. Don't think the Vietnamese word for hungry. Just think hungry.
Use pictures in your mind instead of words. When you see a dog, think the image of a dog and the word dog, not your language's word first.
Practice thinking in English for simple tasks. I want coffee. Time to sleep. It's hot.
The more you do this, the more natural it becomes.
Eventually, English becomes automatic, like riding a bike.
Key takeaway? Direct thinking in English equals faster, more natural speaking.
Tip number 4. Learn phrases, not just words.
This is so important. Many students learn words individually, like happy, very, today.
But native speakers don't speak word by word. They use chunks, complete phrases.
Instead of learning happy alone, learn the phrase, I'm so happy, or that makes me happy.
Instead of just tired, learn I'm really tired or I'm too tired to. These ready-made phrases come out naturally when you need them.
It's like having pre-built Lego sets instead of individual Lego pieces.
Great analogy. Here are useful phrases to learn as complete units.
How's it going? I'd like to. Can I have? That sounds good.
I'm not sure. What do you think? That reminds me of, by the way.
When you learn these as phrases, they flow out smoothly when speaking.
Key takeaway? Phrases equals speaking fluently. Words alone equals speaking like a robot. Tip number 5. Embrace mistakes. They're required.
Listen carefully. You cannot learn to speak without making mistakes. It's impossible.
Every single person who speaks English fluently made thousands of mistakes.
Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are proof that you're trying, that you're practicing.
Think about babies learning to talk. Do they speak perfectly? No, they make mistakes constantly.
Me want cookie. Wrong grammar, but nobody judges the baby. The baby keeps trying.
You need the same attitude. Every mistake teaches you something.
The only way to fail is to not try. If you try and make a mistake, that's success.
I still make mistakes in English, and English is my job.
Me too. Just yesterday, I said sheeps instead of sheep. It's okay.
Native speakers make mistakes too. They say I seen instead of I saw. They mix up words.
So don't let fear of mistakes stop you. Mistakes are your teachers.
Here's a powerful mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I hope I don't make mistakes, think, I'm going to make mistakes, and that's how I'll improve.
Key takeaway? Mistakes are required for progress. Welcome them. Celebrate them.
Tip number 4. Use the 3-second rule.
This is a game changer. Use the 3-second rule.
What's the 3-second rule?
When you have a chance to speak English, you must start within 3 seconds. Don't think, just speak.
Ah, this stops overthinking.
Exactly. Many people think too much. Is my grammar correct? Is this the right word? What if I sound stupid?
By the time they finish thinking, the opportunity is gone.
So instead, someone asks you a question in English. 1, 2, 3, start speaking.
Even if it's not perfect, even if you make mistakes, just start.
You can correct yourself while speaking. I went to the store yesterday.
That's completely fine. Self-correction is natural. Native speakers do it all the time.
The 3-second rule trains your brain to act, not overthink.
After a while, starting to speak becomes automatic. No more freezing.
Key takeaway? Overthinking kills speaking. The 3-second rule builds confidence and speed.
Tip number 7. Practice in low-pressure situations first.
Don't jump into the deep end immediately. Start in the shallow water.
What are low-pressure situations?
Situations where making mistakes doesn't matter much. For example, ordering food at a restaurant. The waiter doesn't care if your grammar is perfect.
Or asking directions. The person just wants to help you. They won't judge your English.
Shopping. How much is this? Simple, low pressure.
Online. Join English learning groups, chat in comments, write posts.
Voice messages to AI. Talk to ChatGPT, Google Assistant, Siri.
These situations are safe practice grounds. Build confidence here first.
Then gradually move to higher pressure situations, like job interviews, presentations, meetings.
Like a video game. Start on easy mode, then increase difficulty.
Every small success builds confidence for bigger challenges.
Key takeaway? Start where it's comfortable, then level up. Don't force yourself into scary situations immediately. Tip number 8. Find a speaking partner or community.
Final tip. Tip number 8. Find a speaking partner or community.
You can't learn to swim by reading about swimming. You need to get in the water.
Same with speaking. You need real conversations with real people.
But where can you find speaking partners? Many places. Language exchange apps, Hellow Talk, Tandem, Speaky.
Online communities, Discord servers, Facebook groups for English learners.
Find a friend who's also learning. Practice together. Make mistakes together.
Local English clubs. Many cities have free conversation meetups.
Online tutors. Websites like italki, Preply, Cambly. Practice with teachers.
The key is regular practice, once a week minimum.
Even 15 minutes of real conversation per week is better than zero.
And here's a secret: teaching someone else helps you learn.
Yes, if you know someone with lower English level, help them. You'll improve by teaching.
Community makes learning fun. You're not alone. Millions are learning with you.
Key takeaway? Speaking is social. You need real conversations to truly unlock your voice. Bonus tip: consistency over perfection.
It's better to practice speaking for